The forest feels so cold and silent today, as if everything is hiding from me.
Why is this light trembling so much? There's no wind.
Do you feel it too, little flame? Are you calling out to someone?
There's someone there.
Who is it?
It's so dark, my eyes can't believe it. Are you loneliness? Why are you swallowing everything into yourself? Don't be afraid, I won't hurt you. I'm lonely too, just like you. Oh, are you a little kitten? You're just missing some light, that's all. You're actually very lovely. Your eyes, they shine just like my lantern.